What is up, SV squad, and welcome back to another video. And I just got home from work not long ago. Siaosi's gone to pick up my dad from somewhere, so I've been here for like an hour waiting for him, and I thought, why not plan a prank, because it's been a while and I need to come back with my pranks. As you can tell by the title, some of you guys are going to call me savage, some of you team Siaosi are going to be really mad at me, but you know, I had to come back with another prank, and I had to come back strong. And I thought, this is kind of realistic. It doesn't really require many props. It just requires me to use my mouth and my acting skills. So I'm really nervous. I'm gonna set up the camera, and when Aussie comes in, I'm gonna tell him that immigration want to send him back to Samoa. I'm so sorry, babe, and I know that this is really savage, but I've dummied up a letter from immigration, and I'm just gonna forward it to myself. He won't even check who it's from, and I hope that he falls for it. Now, I don't know how this is gonna go down. Obviously, Siaosi's not a dumb person, but sometimes people think that these things happen. I don't know if it's gonna work, because it's gonna be so hard to pretend to cry. Even though I'm a very emotional person, I should be able to do it, but I can't, because I'm so nervous and I'm scared at the same time. My tummy is actually turning, thinking about what I'm gonna say, what I'm gonna do. Hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get this video to 1,000 likes.
Babe.
What?
What are you doing?
Did you drop down?
Yeah.
Well,
Nothing. Just sit there and watching TV.
oh, I'm just cooking chicken.
Just take that. We're gonna take the chicken there.
No, we're gonna eat here. Come here, I want to talk to you.
I'm hungry.
I want to talk to you.
About what?
I got a letter from immigration.
What?
I got a letter from immigration.
What? What's that letter?
It's a letter from immigration.
Why?
It says that we're gonna cancel your visa, and you have to go back to Samoa.
Why did they do that? Do I do something wrong?
No, because they checked the system and they saw all of your parking tickets and your speeding fines. They said that you're not a good person and you have to go back.
Why did they know I'm not a good person? What do they mean? Yan, boleh pakai men-speed limit.
Yeah.
I'm not a good person.
But
How did they know I'm not a good person?
because you're not obeying the law, and of course they know. They have this information because it's all Australian government. I'm being serious. And they said that you have to leave in 30 days, but we can appeal it. They said we have to pay $1,000 to appeal.
Spain, this way. Kamu ni kan ni, you making what care goes out.
No. I don't know what to do.
Phí đó ngon mua sao của nó cái phí đó một món ngon.
Are you just gonna leave me here?
You work. That's for phí đó.
Really, nigga?
No, we're gonna appeal it.
Yeah, Billy.
I don't know how to do it.
What do you mean? You can shoot anyone mà phí thì cho nó ăn mẹ. Nó ăn mẹ ngay appreciate it.
Yeah, I know. I was just cooking food and then I got an email and I came to check in and it said it was from immigration and they just saying that they're going to cancel your visa and you have to leave. And if you don't leave, they're going to come and arrest you at our house.
30 days. No, I'm just going to get a couple of immediately. Yung kung merang yes kung si mas po.
What's the difference?
Ay, kung fai si niya, fai mo phone.
Yeah, I'll try it. It says I wish to advise the application for this visa has been cancelled and refused for the following applicant. Siaosi. I can call my sister.
What's she gonna do?
She's gonna help us. She's a migrant agent. We'll just appeal it, honey. It's okay. We're just gonna appeal it, and we'll pay the $1,000 from your account. It says lodging an application for review to the AAT.
Không kêu. Nó phải ra copy.
I'll post you. Can I have your phone?
No, don't call my phone. Call your phone.
My phone's downstairs. I'll call Siaosi and see what to do. The phone's off. Molly.
How can I help you? That's fine. Hello.
We're not really sure what to do.
Why?
Because Yossi's visa got refused.
What do you mean?
Well, they said that they're cancelling his visa and he has 30 days to go back.
Why?
I don't know.
There's no reason.
Well, they didn't really go into detail, but they gave me the information to appeal it with the AAT, the Administrative Appeals Tribunal.
What the hell? Did you ring Sia?
Yeah, but she wasn't answering.
How many days has he got?
30 from today.
Well, that's alright, Nikki. You just gotta find out what was the reason. Now's not the time to feel down, now's the time to fight.
I can't fight.
You can fight, Nikki. Be strong, it's gonna be fine. Everything is gonna be fine. We've got to understand why Apple rejected it, what's the reasoning, And it may even be an error on their end. Because they can't just reject it for no reason. What's the reason? They're not giving you any reasoning as to he hasn't done anything illegal, he's obeyed his conditions, so what's the reason? And we fight for it. Who did you guys launch it through in Samoa?
It was through Fiji.
So, other than that, they don't tell us what's the reason of why it was denied.
Oh, hold on, there's a reason here.
What's the reason?
It's because your ass eats. Oh, hold on, there's a reason here.
What's the reason?
It's because your ass eats.
You want to do this stupid wrecking thing? You want to watch it? Just put the camera on, I'm coming for you.
I was meant to tell Aussie first, but...
Just shut your mouth.
Oh, thank you, Molly. Love you. Look, Aussie, there's a camera.
I'm down below until Vicky the She's gonna get a hiding. There's gonna be a day that you just gotta watch out, and you're gonna be crying more than the rain, okay? Because I am just going to get you.
Oh, whatever. Oh, whatever, Molly. Bye. Oh, she just hung up on me. Oh, guys, that went on forever. I felt like I was trying to force tears that weren't coming. They just were not coming. Sorry, babe. That was just a prank.
It's not a good prank, guys. It's not a good prank. I'm so stressed and yeah, my heart was knock like that because I'm stressed and I feel, oh, I'm gonna go back to Samoa. It's not a good prank, and I'll pray to God that time to help me.
When did you pray? I didn't see you pray.
My heart and my mind. She got me and she got Molly.
Are you happy that you're not going?
Yes, I'm so happy.
Anyways, if you really were going, I would have cried my eyes out. Guys, I hope you liked that prank. If you did like it, then make sure to give us a thumbs up. Turn on post notifications. Nerdy gang, where you at? Subscribe. Let's get this video to 1K like.
Comment down below and say, Team Siaosi, I'm gonna do a favorite prank for you guys. Next time, okay. Stay tuned, guys.